In this video, we will get to know what's symbolized. The Philippine Navy Official Seal. The Philippine Navy was established during the second phase of the Philippine Revolution when General Emilio Aguinaldo formed the Revolutionary Navy in May 20th, 1898, which was initially composed of a small fleet of 8 Spanish steam launches captured from the Spaniards. Captain Pascual Ledesma, a merchant marine ship captain, was appointed as the director of the Navy. The design of the Philippine Navy Seal is inspired by the sea lion holding a dagger and laurel leaves on each of the hands. The laurel leaves symbolize the honor and prestige which the unit is always aspiring for, while the dagger signifies the willingness and readiness of the naval force to fight and die for the country, fearless of any inimical danger. The Philippine Navy is somewhat compared to the sea lion, which signifies sea power and jurisdiction over the Philippine territorial waters during peace and wartime. The anchor, which is always associated with a ship, represents the embodiment of qualities, customs, and traditions peculiar to the Navy. The blue background conforms to the color of the sea, where this particular major service operates. The gold ropes that encircle the seal represent the strong unity that binds all Philippine Navy elements together towards the accomplishment of its overall mission. The 2 stars on the side indicate that the flag officer in command must be of flag rank. Consequently, inscribed on the circle are the words Hukbong Dagat ng Pilipinas, which represents the unit's name known as the Guardian of the Philippine Seas. Do you like the design? Comment on what else do you think would be nice to include in the design.